are 2.68% people in our India which are handicapped recently. But among them, 2.21% people are the category of students. But when I was searching, I have found that only 1% students are attending their school premises recently. So, do you think that what could be the reason behind it? The main reason behind it is the situation of their handicapability. And due to their handicappedness, they are facing the problems of toilet in the school premises. They are unable to tell to their teachers for the toilet and in front of their friends too. So friends, for the solution of this problem, we three, that is I, Sakshi Rekhiram Mankar, and my cooperator
Gaurav Pravade,
and my cooperator
Saurav K.
students of R.S. Joy Junior College, Standard 12, in the presence of our ATL in charge, Avinash Kaidhane sir, has created a beautiful creation from the field of biology and mechanics, a biodigester wheelchair. This is our prototype, a biodigester wheelchair made up of the following components. This is the curtain. This is our prototype, a wheelchair. This is the water tank for water pressure. This is a septic tank. This is water pressure tank, and this is the toilet seat. Now friends, let us me introduce to my prototype. I have made some of the features of this prototype which are as follows. This is the automatic curtain opening system. This is the automatic slide opening system. This is automatic water pressure system, and these components are made up of the ATL tools. Now let me show the working of our prototype. As you know, when any of the student which is handicapped, when goes to school, if he faces an emergency situation of toilet, then he will just sit on this wheelchair like this. During the time of emergency, he will just go outside and just close his curtain automatically, and after this process, the process of our wheelchair starts. As the emergency situation arrives, he will just start his finger in this wheelchair. After that, when he will press, we have made this automatic slide opening system, which working is explained by my cooperator.
स्लाइड ओपनिंग सिस्टम, तो यहाँ हमने स्लाइड ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग के लिए दो मोटर्स यूज किए हैं 10 आरपीएम की। उसके साथ में जो स्लाइड ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग के लिए जो मटेरियल यूज किया है वो फ्लैक्स सीट, और उसके साथ में स्लाइड ओपन और क्लोज करने के लिए जो स्विच दिए हैं, दो स्विच दिए इसके साथ, एक एंटी क्लॉकवाइज के लिए मोटर है और एक क्लॉकवाइज के लिए। जब ये एक स्विच ऑन करेंगे तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज घूमेंगी, और जो सेकेंड वाली स्विच ऑफ करेंगे तो वो क्लॉकवाइज घूमेंगी। उसके साथ में अभी वर्किंग दिखाते हैं। अब ओपन, स्टॉप कर, स्टॉप।
We are able to see the decomposed material settle down in this chamber, and the pure water is pureed in this chamber. This was the processing of our slide opening system. Now let me explain you the processing of this water flushing pressure tank. As the switch ons of this flushing tank, the flushing water comes into this seat, and the flushing occurs here due to the pressure in this flushing pressure tank. Now this fecal waste with this water flushes into this septic tank. A septic tank is used for the process of biodegradation here. As the septic tank is divided into two separate chambers, this first chamber is for the processing of bacteria and second chamber is there for the separation of pure water. We have added here a bacteria called as Azotobacter. Let me explain you the working of this septic tank. The bacteria used in this septic tank is the Azotobacter, which is used for biodegradation. It is one of the most useful bacteria. Here it does its work within just 2 days. After 2 days, when we are observing this septic tank, we will come to know that the separated water comes due to the pressure of due to the osmotic pressure into the next chamber, and likewise this septic tank works. We are here concluded the processing of our system. Now let me give you the information about the references we have used here. The reference which we have used for the collection of the bacteria is Ruchi Biochemicals, and all the ATL tools are used for our project. So likewise this was our prototype, and thank you.